Hey, beautiful moms! If you're breastfeeding and ever felt that pumping takes too long or doesn't give enough milk, then you need to know this manual pump technique right now. Let's begin. First, find a calm and comfortable spot. Sit back, relax your shoulders, and take a deep breath. Stress can actually slow down your milk flow, so it's super important to stay calm. Now, before you start pumping, spend just 2 minutes gently massaging your breasts. Use circular motions with your fingertips around the breast, moving toward the nipple. This simple step helps activate your milk ducts and boosts the flow naturally. Once you feel relaxed, hold your manual breast pump and position the flange properly over your nipple. Make sure it seals nicely but doesn't feel tight or painful. Start with slow, rhythmic squeezes, just like a baby's natural suckling pattern. You'll notice small drops appearing first, then the flow starts to increase. Remember, it's not about speed. It's about rhythm and comfort. Alternate between both sides every few minutes. This helps balance milk supply and prevents engorgement. You can also gently massage while pumping. It encourages better milk letdown and keeps you comfortable. If milk flow slows down, don't worry. Take a short break, shake your shoulders, drink a sip of water, and restart. Relaxation helps the most. Once you're done, store your milk safely in a clean labeled container. And if your baby is nearby, you can even nurse right after pumping. This tells your body to produce more milk next time. Remember, consistency is key. Try to pump around the same time each day. Over time, your body will adjust and produce milk more efficiently. So moms, use this manual pump technique daily and notice how your supply increases while you feel more relaxed and confident.